Welcome to Dupe District, where smelling expensive doesn't have to break the bank. Today we're checking out So Genius by Emperor, a dupe for Carolina Herrera Good Girl, and it absolutely nails that bold, feminine vibe. The spray is good. Let's check the juice. Top notes hit with bergamot and almond, sweet, slightly nutty, and instantly addictive. The middle notes gives you jasmine and tuberose, creamy, floral, and super elegant. At the base, tonka bean, cocoa, and vanilla, rich, warm, and seductive, giving it that iconic Good Girl vibe that lingers. Performance is solid, projection is moderate, too strong, so people will notice you, and longevity hits around 6 to 8 hours, leaving you a classy, alluring trail. This fragrance is bold, confident, and perfect for evening wear, dates, or anytime you want to feel a little unstoppable. So if you love Good Girl but don't want to splurge, So Genius is a must try. Bold, feminine, and effortlessly elegant, all in one bottle. You can find this beautiful fragrance on my website, only at Dupe District. Don't just watch the movement, be part of the movement.